Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Kava with Robinhood, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Robinhood app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the home page where you can view your portfolio. In the search bar, type Kava to find the cryptocurrency. Select Kava from the search results to access its specific page. On the Kava page, look for the option to trade or transfer. Click on the Trade button to proceed. Choose the transfer option from the available actions. Select whether you want to transfer from another wallet or within Robinhood. If transferring from another wallet, enter the Kava wallet address you wish to transfer to. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy. Enter the amount of Kava you wish to transfer. Review any fees associated with the transfer. Confirm the transaction details are correct. Click the Submit or Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is processed. Monitor your account for updates on the transfer status. The Kava should arrive in your designated wallet shortly. If you encounter any issues, refer to Robinhood's Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.